Namaste, I'm Preeti Srinivasan and I'm spreading awareness about spinal cord injury this week. So, what can we do about spinal cord injury? If it doesn't have any cure, does it mean there is no hope? Not at all. Look at me. I'm happy. I'm living my life with purpose. I'm spreading the word and I'm positively impacting thousands of lives. I started an organization called Soul Free that is helping more and more people who are affected with spinal cord injury lead a life of dignity and purpose, to become self reliant and fulfill their dreams, to be productive and super members of society, right? So, for the last 8 years, Soul Free has been doing its work by spreading awareness, by providing mobility aids like wheelchairs and hospital beds and air beds, and so many things, and also providing self reliance through education and financial support like monthly stipend programs and a seed funding program called the Independent Living Program. Our goal is to ensure that everybody with a spinal cord injury becomes as self reliant as she or he can be. And over the last 8 years, we have lost nearly 68 people. And yet, we are supporting more than 1,000 people now. And this is just around Tamil Nadu. Imagine the numbers all over India. We are not even touching the tip of the iceberg. There is so much work to do. And then I realized that what we need is training in how to live in this new body and how to work in this new body. I was lucky to get this training and I was lucky to have the support of my parents. But without that, life becomes very difficult for us. So, our work was recognized by the government of Tamil Nadu that has given us space to build and renovate a 20,000 square feet facility that is now going to become Inspire, Integrated Spinal Rehabilitation Center, which we hope will become the first of its kind center for excellence and research in the holistic and integrated management of spinal cord injury. Yes, spinal cord injury does not have a cure. We are not going to start running marathons with you, but we can become self reliant emotionally, physically, in a socio-economic perspective. We are going to make others like me become productive and awesome members of society, just like I am, just like all of us are. We are no less and no more than anybody else. We are positively able, just like you are. All of us have positive abilities and all of us have weaknesses. And we need to change the way we do certain things, but we can do it. And that's what Soul Free is aiming to do. Please support us in whatever way you can. Spread awareness about this condition because prevention is the only cure. And for those who do get this condition, please let them know about Soul Free because we can and we will transform their lives. Thank you so much.